This is the fourth and final video in a series which is helping coordinators in the K-State Master Food Volunteer Program understand and be able to manage their county or counties in their program. In this final video, I'm going to cover the summary reports, of which there are 4. These have a little different interface than the other report lists that we've been looking at, and so I want to give you just an idea how to manage these. There are 4 primary reports that are included in the summary reports: county totals, master food volunteer totals, category totals, and contact category totals. Let's have a look at the county totals first. Now, in the case of our Master Food Volunteer Coordinator, Ricky Ricardo, he's managing 2 counties, Allen and Anderson. And first of all, if we sort this by total, it will put the counties on top and the total on the bottom. Essentially, it shows the total hours for each county and then the total for both counties. And then it breaks it down into volunteer hours, training hours, and contacts. If you had more counties than this, of course it would list them all. So the show how many entries doesn't really apply on this particular report. You can search by using the search field up here. Essentially, the search field here will allow you to break it down into, say, 1 county. And you also have the ability, by using these links up at the top here, to copy the results to be pasted into another type of document, or to use the CSV button to export this report to a program such as Microsoft Excel, or to print it. To print the report, you would just click the print button and it would give you a print view, which you can then use your browser's print function to print this. You would press the escape button to get back to your report. And if you click the CSV file, it allows you to download the document as a CSV file, which I'm going to go ahead and save to my desktop, which I can then bring up in the Excel spreadsheet. And there you have it. So these reports give you a little bit more functionality. Let's take a look at the Master Food Volunteer Totals report. This will list out all of the Master Food Volunteers, their IDs, the counties that they are enrolled in, and their total hours, their total volunteer and training, and their total contacts. The same kind of functionality is also present in this report up at the top, and the search function is probably a little bit more usable on this one. Say, for example, you wanted to find just Walter White, you could just type the first 3 letters of his first name and that would bring that up. Or if you type the last name, you get both he and Vanna. Lucy Ricardo comes up with RICA, so it works pretty quickly. Then taking a look at the category totals, this gives a breakdown into the major categories which are used statewide: administration, advanced training, fundraising, outreach, and public events. Again, if you sort it by the totals, it will put the counties first. And another thing about sorting these is whatever column you're using to sort will change the color a little bit in that column, so you know what column you're using to sort by. And then finally, let's look at the contact category totals. This lists out the various age groups, and if you hover your cursor over the top of each one, you'll see which age group we're talking about. Again, let's sort by the total column, and that puts our counties on top and our totals at the bottom. But you can see all of these various abbreviations and what they actually mean when you hover your cursor over the column head. Well, that's about it for the summaries, and that's about it for our tutorial series. I hope these videos have been helpful to you, and always remember to use the tech support button here to send an email if you have any questions or issues using the system. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new online reporting system.